In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily send a disappearing photo on Telegram. But before we move on with this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more content like this. So that said, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to head over to Telegram. Once you're on Telegram, select the chat you'd like to send the photo to. Once you do that, you can easily select the attachment tool right over here and select the photo you'd like to send. Once you do that, click on this one option right over here and you can easily select the time. I would recommend you select the view once option and then send the photo. And as you can see, that's how you can easily send a disappearing photo on Telegram. So that said, thank you for watching the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.